How to change your username in Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device. Here, if you tap on your profile icon and then tap on the profile option there, then you will not see the option to change your username anywhere. However, you can change your display name. So, unfortunately, you cannot change your Reddit username once it's set. This includes capitalization changes or alterations unless you're within a specific early setup window. However, if you want to change your username anyway, then you can go ahead and create a new account with your desired username. You can run multiple accounts on Reddit, and if you have important karma or subscriptions on your original account, you can keep both your accounts running in parallel. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.